Welcome back to the channel Rapid Reads Club. Yesterday we talked about the communication skills, and today we also talk about another book which is associated with the communication skills. So this book, How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes, is a powerful insight and guide that teaches simple practical techniques to improve your communication skills in everyday life. Leil Lowndes is a communication expert who has spent years studying human behavior and social interaction. Her work focuses on real-life strategies: what to do, what to say, how to act, and how to make people feel comfortable are the main questions of her book. Let's explore the key ideas of this book. First impression matters a lot. That is the first key idea, that first impression matter a lot. People judge you within seconds, sometime before you even when you speak. Your body language, your smile, your eye contact all send strong signals to the other person. If you walk into a room with confidence and maintain eye contact and even give a warm smile, then people automatically see you as confident and approachable person. The lesson is very simple. Your body speaks before your words do. The second key idea of this book is non-verbal communication is more powerful than words. Your posture, tone of voice, and facial expressions communicate more than your sentences. Standing tall shows confidence, leaning slightly forward shows interest, and avoiding closed body language makes you appear open and friendly. Standing tall and leaning slightly forward make people trust what they see more than what they hear. So third one of the most powerful ideas in this book is be interested, not interesting. Most people try to impress others, but the secret is the opposite. Focus on them. Ask questions, listen carefully, and show genuine curiosity. When people feel heard and valued, they naturally like you more. And the fourth important idea of this book is master small talk. Many people think small talk is useless, but actually it is the doorway to deeper relationships. Use open-ended questions, avoid short answers, and small details to your responses. For example, instead of saying I am a teacher, you can say I am a teacher and I really enjoy helping students to improve their confidence. Now the conversation can grow better. And the fifth key idea of this book is build rapport through mirroring. What does this mean? Mirroring means certainly matching the other person's tone, pace, or body language. Means you are now copying carefully the other person's tone, pace, or body language. When you done this naturally creates comfort and trust to the other person. People feel more connected to those who seem similar to them, even unconsciously. So this is very important idea. And the sixth idea is also very important, that is use names and compliments wisely. This means a person's name is very important to them. Use it in conversation and it creates warmth and connection. Also give sincere and specific compliments, not fake ones, but real observations. This makes people feel valued and respected. Seventh key idea of this book is understand the principle of what's in it for them. WIIFT principle, which means people are naturally interested in themselves. So when you communicate, think about their needs, their interests, and their benefits. When your message connects to their word, they listen more carefully. And the eighth important and significant idea of this book is confidence is not a feeling, is not a device, is not a gadget, it is a behavior. So you don't need to feel confident to act confident. Stand straight, speak clearly, and control your gesture. This all means that you are a confident person. When you act confident, people treat you as a confident, and over time you actually become confident. So this is a very important and significant idea of this book. Ninth key idea of this book is keep conversations flowing. One technique is to use conversation hooks. Instead of giving short answer, add something extra that invites a response. For example, I like reading books, especially psychology and self-development. Now the other person has to something respond to this. So finally, build emotional connection. That is the last key idea of this book. That is build emotional connection. Good communication is not just about talking. It's about making people feel comfortable. So listen with attention, show empathy, and be present. When people feel comfortable with you, strong relationships are formed. Now let's summarize. The main idea of this book is very simple. Your success in life depends greatly on how well you connect with people. This is a very significant line. So I repeat, your success in life depends greatly on how well you connect with the other people. This book gives practical tools to make strong first impressions, start and maintain conversations, build trust and rapport, and influence people positively. The value of this book lies in its simplicity. There are not complex theories in this book, but small practical techniques you can use immediately in daily life. It helps you to overcome awkwardness, improve confidence, and build better and professional relationships in your life. However, some ideas may feel simple or repetitive, but that's exactly how they work. Because communication is not about complexity, it's about consistency. And here is the final insight or the final message. People may forget your words, but they will never forget how you made them feel. So if you found this video valuable, then please like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.